2025, the gaming hardware market has seen the release of several next-generation products, notably NVIDIA's RTX 5000 series graphics cards, featuring DLSS 4. Initially, only high-end models were available, but the recent launch of the RTX 5060 offers a superior price-performance ratio. A complete gaming PC, including this RTX 5060. While enthusiasts often prefer custom building their PCs, pre-assembled systems are an excellent alternative for those less inclined to build or with limited time. Specialized hardware retailers like PcComponentes, Coolmod, and Neobyte offer a wide range of options at competitive prices. A notable example is Neobyte's Neo Gaming PC. This affordable system is ideal for 1080p gaming at 60 FPS on ultra settings. Its core component is the 8GB NVIDIA RTX 5060, which supports DLSS 4 for enhanced frame rates in compatible titles. The PC also features an AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, 16GB of RAM, and a 1TB SSD, making it a powerful ensemble for its price point.